The comprehensive first assessment is a critical step in inpatient care, providing an in-depth evaluation of the patient's condition at the time of admission or first contact. To document the comprehensive first assessment, follow these steps. Select the patient being assessed from the list of admissions. You can choose to use the search bar if your list is lengthy. Then, click on Actions tab and select Inpatient Charts. On the menu, select Comprehensive First Assessment. On the assessment window, fill in the required details as follows. Input the exact date and time when the comprehensive first assessment was performed. This is essential for tracking changes in the patient's condition over time. Select the specific part or section of the assessment you are documenting from the drop-down list. Fill in the notes to provide a detailed account of your findings based on the selected part during the assessment. Record the name of the nurse or healthcare professional who conducted the assessment for accountability and traceability in patient care. Click the Add button to save. Select any other part and repeat the process as shown. Remember to save the note on each part assessed. Click on Generate Report to view the comprehensive first assessment report.